Me and Angelica Pickles are going to eat Adelaide's KFC chicken.
Great idea, Stephanie. Let's do it.
Ooh, whoa, 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 whoa. Stephanie and Angelica Pickles. How dare you both eat all of my KFC chicken? That's it. I'm telling my friends right now. Adelaide Chang, what was all that yelling? Stephanie and Angelica Pickles ate all of my KFC chicken. Oh my goodness. Stephanie and Angelica Pickles. We can't believe you ate all of Adelaide's KFC chicken. That's it. We're calling your parents about this. Go home right now.
Back at home. Stephanie
and Angelica Pickles. We can't believe you ate all of Adelaide's KFC chicken. That's it. Both of you are grounded for 13,774 months. Go to your rooms right now.